Hi friends, today we are going to see the essay on Raksha Bandhan, a timeless bond of love and protection. Raksha Bandhan is a beautiful Indian festival that celebrates the unique bond between brothers and sisters. It is observed by tying a Rakhi, a sacred thread around the wrist, symbolizing love, trust, and a promise of protection. But more than rituals and gifts, Raksha Bandhan is about emotions, memories, and relationships that last a lifetime. A personal tale of a thread that means the world. I remember a Raksha Bandhan from my childhood when my elder sister was away at college for the first time. She sent me a Rakhi and a handwritten letter. In the letter, she wrote, "This thread carries my love and belief in you. No matter where I am, I will always be there for you." That day, I tied the Rakhi on my wrist myself, holding back tears. It made me realize that even distance cannot break the bond we share. Historical and mythological roots. Raksha Bandhan has its origins deeply rooted in Indian mythology and history. The famous tale is that of Draupadi and Lord Krishna, where Krishna was injured his finger and Draupadi tore a piece of her sari to stop the bleeding. Touched by her gesture, Krishna vowed to protect her forever. And later, he did so during her time of distress. Evolving traditions in modern times. Today, the celebration of Raksha Bandhan has evolved, yet its essence remains untouched. Sisters tie Rakhis on the wrist of their brothers, who in return promise to protect them and offer gifts as tokens of their love. In some parts of the country, girls tie Rakhis to their friends, soldiers, or even nature as a sign of respect and gratitude. One of the most beautiful aspects of Raksha Bandhan is how its meaningful is slowly expanding. Traditionally, the brother is seen as the protector, but today's generation understands that protection is mutual. Sisters are strong, independent, and equally capable of standing up for their loved ones. The Rakhi is no longer just a thread of protection from a brother, it is a bond of shared strength, trust, and lifelong friendship. Conclusion. A thread that unites hearts. Raksha Bandhan is a gentle reminder in our busy lives that relationships are our true wealth. It teaches us the value of love, responsibility, and emotional support. In a world that often emphasizes independence and individualism, Raksha Bandhan celebrates interdependence and mutual care. To every student and young person reading this, Raksha Bandhan is not just a day for exchanging gifts. It's a day to reflect on your bonds. Be thankful for the people who love you and pledge to be there for them in return. Whether it's your sibling, your friend, your parent, or even the community around you. Let the spirit of Raksha Bandhan guide you to be kinder, more protective, and more connected. Let us not limit this beautiful emotion to a single day or a tradition. Let every day be a celebration of the ties that make life meaningful. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which topic you would like to see next. Thanks.